What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1930 Ford A Model A car here with a 3.7 350 in it. Nice smooth running motor, side pipes. Got a great sound. Let's see what she's about. It's time to go for a ride. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for additional pictures, information, shipping, and financial options. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, kind of look around the interior. It looks pretty good. Does need a headliner. It's got some cloth seats in here, Dynamat. Go ahead and start it up. There we go. Go ahead and check some stuff out. We do got a horn. I love those styles. Car's been sitting here idle, and I just did a walk around video, and she's about 180 right now. Oil pressure's right below 40. Battery gauge is working, and the gas gauge does not work. Turn signals pop up on the dash. No windshield wipers on this one, but we do got that pop out windshield that I love so much. Shut this door. Let's go. What is up, my friends? We're gonna take off down the road here. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will tell you about. I know it's a little bit hot in here, so we're gonna roll the window down, or drop the window down. It's kind of dropping. This is a 1930 model, so gonna need a few little things, but make sure I tighten that up. Anything I see, I'll point out though. Let's go. Definitely got loud exhaust. Get this paper out of y'all's face. Car seems to be going straight down the road. Steering's nice and tight. Nobody's behind it, somebody hit the brakes. And it brakes well. Slides pretty fast. A little bit bumpy on the suspension. The bump here. Jumped out my seat. Definitely got some good power though. Kickdown's not hooked up on this one. Not that we need it. This thing's just cool. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. I did notice we got some LED turn signals in the back. So all that should be working properly. There's a light tint on the front windshield and the side windshields. It's got that murdered out look, so everything's black. So good. This thing runs and drives good. It's still at 180 on the temperature, still about 30 on the oil pressure, so everything's reading good. Just a little bumpy, that's the only thing I can say. But it is a 30 model, so they didn't have great suspension back then. All right, I brought my extension pole here. I do this in all my videos. I'm gonna put the link below so you can buy the same one I got. This is metal, guys. I've been using it a while. It hasn't broke. Before this one, I was running through these extension poles. This thing, I can get out here and get all my shots, twist it, tighten it up, and then just pull this and the legs drop out and you can tighten the legs up. It's been good. Check it out. get y'all set up in the driver's seat here. Continue on this test drive. We've been whipping it around the parking lot. Temperature got to 190, that's about it. Everything else on the gauges looks good. So we'll pull out of here and take off. Test drive. See, the tip came back down to 180. This road here's got a big old bump in it. We're gonna hit it. This thing is a little bit bumpy on suspension wise. Right here. Hang on. Woo! Nice little Chevrolet truck just passed. I like that. Head on back to the lot here. I did the walk around video already, so if you haven't checked that out for sure, head back into Maple Motors here. Get us finished out. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. And we're going on a ride in a 68 Chevelle right after this, so be watching for the next video. It's coming soon. Sometimes I'll put out 4 days, sometimes I'll put out more, but I definitely try to get at least 2 videos out every single day. So hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. Definitely go to maplemotors.com. You can find finance options, transportation, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot here. And if you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Guys, do me a favor, make sure this is still available at maplemotors.com. If it's not on my website, we do not own it anymore. Also, look at the top. Every video that I have on here on YouTube, if the car is sold, I'll mark sold on it. We leave them up to show previous inventory, and we have about 1,100 videos on here. Everything that's available won't say sold on it. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.